Today we're going to look at the connection between Open Badge Factory and its learning. Here are the steps we're about to follow. First, we'll create an activity in its learning. We'll activate the assessment scale. And then we'll connect the activity with a badge. Then the student will do the activity. We'll assess the activity as a teacher. And if the student reaches the stated achievement score, they will receive the badge via email. So we'll jump into itslearning. Here we're in our geography course, so we've got our plan of the weather. Open that up. We've already created most of the plan here. At the end of the plan, we want our student to do an end-of-unit presentation, so an oral presentation in front of the class. We've already got a draft of that here. The student will stand up and talk about what they've learned. So now we want to activate an assessment scale, so I'll edit this task and scroll down to the bottom here and click on Assess Task with Assessment Scale. We've already got an assessment scale that we're going to use, so we'll go ahead and highlight that. And we're going to add it to the assessment record as well. So save that. And we'll go back to the course itself and look at the assessment record in Status and Follow-up. Here's the assessment record. And now we see this end-of-unit assessment is right here. And if we have Open Badge Factory activated on our site, we can open it up here and connect the two. So first we select the course activity. Of course, that's the end of unit presentation. And then we select the badge that it corresponds to. And that's this Weather Basics badge. And we'll save that. And before we activate it, we're going to edit the metadata for the badge. So the description, the grade, and whatnot. So the grade that we want our students to achieve is a 9 and above. We're going to title the badge Weather Basics Badge, and I've already pre-written some text here that the badge will be awarded to students who achieve a basic knowledge in geography about the weather. So we'll save that. Last step is we activate the badge, and we can close this window. So now the student comes up and they do their presentation. Our student is Julie, and she did a great job. We'll go ahead and enter her grade. We can do it here, or we could also do it in the activity itself. For sake of easiness, I'll do it here. We're going to give her a 9.5. Good job, Julie. And then automatically, Julie will receive an email, which will look something like this. And she'll click on this link, Get Your Badge. And that'll open up into the Open Badge Factory where she receives the Geography Basics badge, says when it was issued, and she can also copy the URL and post it in other sites as she sees fit. And that is the connection between itslearning and Open Badge Factory.